Everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following tutorial, I'll let you guys know how can you set up Google Authenticator and add codes. To set up Google Authenticator and add code, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to install Google Authenticator from your respective app store and click the open button or install it. So after you're done installing and creating your account as well, this is how it's going to look like. Here, you want to click on the plus button, or you could just simply go and click on enter a setup key. As you do it, so you want to go ahead and enter in the code name. First of all, let's say I'm going to go with the Instagram. And for the code key, you want to exit after this page, open up your Instagram application, open up the application for which you want to actually set up the code. So since I'm going to go ahead and do it for Instagram, so click on the initials of the profile from the bottom right, go to the try bar icon. Then you want to go to account center. As you go to account center, you want to go to accounts, password and security, after which select two-factor authentication, then select for which account you want to set up a PIN. Then you'll be able to see this sort of page, so click on the next button, and as soon as you do it, so now then you could go ahead and click on the continue button. As you've done it, so it's going to take you to the next field where you have to go ahead and enter in the password. So click the login button. Here you go, you've logged in. Now click on the confirm account option, and then it's gonna show you the key. So you just have to make sure to copy the key by tapping on copy key, or else you could also view the barcode if you want. Exit after this page and then go to the Google Authenticator. So over here you want to go ahead and paste in the key and click on add, after which the code will be generated. So this is how you could set up Google Authenticator and add code. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.